G'day guys and girls, welcome to another video. With Operation Stage 2 underway, we're going to take a break from that in this one, and we are going to install the Whiteline 22mm non-adjustable sway bar. Okay, let's open it up. First of all, the packaging's pretty good. We've got a really nice thick bag that it comes in, and it also came in a massive box as well, so it's pretty well protected. We'll get it open and we'll see what's inside. So the ends themselves with the mounting points are nice and padded. Powder coat's actually really nice on this. It's like a silver, almost with a bit of a metal fleck in it, bit of a metallic. I'll try and get a close up of that. Also in the bag, they look like a bunch of stickers. There's a lot of stickers there actually, that's really cool. And our mounting hardware. So our mounting hardware, we've got 2 spacer blocks. We've got 4 of these big bolts, 4 washers and 4 of these nuts. Now, the Fiesta ST itself doesn't have a rear sway bar because it's got the thick rear beam. So installation will be even easier because we don't need to remove the old one. I'm not sure if the GoPro is actually picking up that sparkle and the twinkle that's in the paint. You can also see the texture of the powder coat as well, which also causes quite a bit of reflection, which is nice. You obviously can't get too close with the GoPro, but it's there. Quite a nice finish. Nothing left to do now other than install it and go for a test drive and see how much difference it makes. I've heard a couple of different things. It can make the tail end a little bit happier to step out, but I've also heard that it helps keep the weight transfer on the front, which is going to help because I don't have an LSD. So coming out of corners, if it can help a bit of weight on the front wheels, it might help with some corner exit as well. Installation of your rear sway bar is pretty easy. You just got to jack your car up, put it on some jack stands, get the jack underneath the rear beam, and it's as easy as, I think these are a 15. It's as easy as undoing these on both sides, dropping the beam a little bit, and under here you've got your 2 holes already. This is why Whiteline have designed it this way, and that's where your bolts go, your spacer, and that's how you fit up your sway bar. So we've got the rear beam lowered a little bit now. You can see how much it just lowers from the shock, and your hardware bolts go in there. Yeah. Alright, so once your bolts are through, put your spacer on, lift up your sway bar, and make sure you put it on the right way. So you actually want it to go up and contour to the bar, and then a washer, and you've got 2 massive nuts. And then a washer, and your second massive nut. Oh yeah, that's good. And once it's on, it's on. The Ugga Dugga will do the rest. That was pretty torqued to spec, and now that's pretty much installed. We are just going to double check it, and then that's the install. Without filming, it'd take you all of 5 or 10 minutes. And that's it. That's what it looks like with the car on the ground. Now we just need to go and see how it feels on the road, and then next time I do a track day I'll let you know how it feels on the track too. And that's it. It's installation complete. It really is that easy. You just literally drop those 2 bolts from the bottom of the shocks, lower your bar a little bit, put your sway bar bolts in, add the hardware, and you're done. All up, including jacking up the car, and obviously could do it in about 10 minutes. I haven't really noticed a whole lot of difference. I haven't been able to push it because it's wet and I'm driving in public, but just initially, I don't know if I think I'm imagining it, but the rear end seems a bit more connected side to side, just with that little bit of extra stiffening. So you'll go over a bump, say on the passenger side, and you'll sort of feel it throughout the whole car, through your seat. And if you do go around a roundabout or take a corner, you know, at the speed limit without slowing down, for example, it does feel more like, and Mitch described it this way, and this is exactly how it feels. It feels like the back end's actually working with the front a bit better rather than just being dragged. So it does feel like it rotates a little easier. I mean, I could just be making that up, but that's what it feels like to me. Probably won't know until I get it on track. Don't know when my next track day will be, but it'll be soon. But yeah, that's it. Install done. As always, guys, thank you for watching.